Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today I have a nice little treat I've actually been waiting for. I looked at loads of reviews about this tent, and I think I can make it work for me. So I'm gonna put the effort in to make it waterproof because I like it. So the tent I'm on about is a French two-man tent. So there's the bag. I'll get some better shots of it in a minute, but the stuff sack is really nice. I also bought some cure stuff here. It's fast cure seam sealant. So there. So I'm going to put this on there. So from the reviews I've seen about this, where the flap opens on the side, that seam there lets in a lot of water. I'm going to try to do this tonight. I opened up a little section of my garden here to put this out on, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So if I can get this waterproof tonight and then let it rain tomorrow, I can see if it actually is waterproof or where I have to work on. So that's the idea. So let me set this up now. My neighbors are being noisy, so I might turn music on or just do some commentary. I don't know how I want to do it, but let's get on. Nice flap there, extra padding for the pole. There. Right, so this is all set up now. I have 4 stakes left. So I used up all the guy ropes that came with it. So let's just give you a show now. Right, so I have a guy line running out that way. The ridge is okay because basically the size of my garden is the best I can do. Now for here, you see there I put a stick up, and that is to make the flap a little higher up to allow more air to circulate inside, because there's a vent in there, which I'll show you in a minute. So you can either use a stick or you can use these pegs provided. And then there's how the other side looks, and not too bad. So keeping the other side a bit low, that's how that looks. So it's not too low actually. I thought it'd be lower than that, but it's pretty good. So let's get a little bit closer now. So on the front bit here, you have 3 zips. 1, 2, 3. Up top over here, there's also a little vent. I'll show you that on the inside. These can roll up. This is quite nice actually. I like this. Oh. So I feel you got about a foot past my head here. I'm 5'10", and this is pretty, I can starfish easy. So my feet are on my end at the end here, and I still have probably about 1.5 feet of space here. Really nice. But I am going to seal this up because I do see little bits of light, which I'll show you now. So in the corner there, you can see a little bit of light come through. And then same thing with that corner. Right, so these flaps here, just a bit of Velcro. That comes down. That's on both sides. That's nice. And then if you wanted more air, obviously you could open up the other door. But with those side vents open, I can tell the difference already. Very nice. I mean, this is the perfect size for me, and it doesn't take that long to set up. So the only thing I'm worried about is it being waterproof. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, which is why I'm trying to rush this tonight after I got home from work. To get this done, and then it gives it a few hours to dry. I'll leave it out tonight, and then if it rains in the morning, at least I can see where the leaks are on this and then work on that. Right, so the reviews I've seen, the leak is mainly where I mentioned before, so I'm going to put this stuff on it. This stuff I never used, so I'm going to give it a go of working on it. Now, the reason why I picked this one is that it's a seam sealer, but you also need a brush as well, and an applicator kind of thing. So this one already comes with one. So to me, that's, you know, it makes my life a bit easier and a bit less of a mess, and it'll look nicer. So I'm going to do this now. Right, so on a 60 ml bottle, I managed to do all the seams, including the corners. So let me show you that now. So I've done the ridge on top, both sides of that, all the way down the sides here. And then I put a heavy amount where the bottom corner is, where you saw the holes. This is the first side I did, so it's starting to dry there. But as I was doing this, I was getting a bit tired and losing light, so I started putting it on a bit thick and then went back to smooth it out. So there you have it, going down. If this leaks, I'd be surprised, honestly. And then that side seam there, I even did coming up at basically all the seams I've done. And that's the other side of this. So I'm going to let this dry out. I might wipe off some excess and just mix it into it and then see how I get on. But hopefully by tomorrow we'll find out. So the spot where the water is just here. Seems to be a little bit of a puddle of water right where this flap is. Top bit's dry though. Corners are fine. Yeah, the rest of the corners are fine. Yeah. It seems to be just that one spot. Yeah, it's all dry down there. Dry down there. Yeah. Yeah, this is all fine. That's all on the outside. But it's strange that this side's dry. So it's only this one spot here. Now this fabric is dry. This is wet, that's been sitting in it. Yeah, so all in all, just that one little spot there is wet. So I'll look on the outside of where that spot is and I'll see if maybe I missed a spot or something. So that's where the spot was, where it leaked, but it doesn't look any different from any of the other spots. And you can see there. So I'll have a look, but I'll work on that. But one little spot of water is not too bad, considering in the videos how much water the tents took in of the same make. So yeah, not happy with that. So it's my new favorite tent, if I can sort out that little leak there. I might make a little ground sheet, just the same size as the tent, maybe a little bit bigger, just to prevent water coming up. That's the last thing I want as an emergency, but that fabric should be fine. Also prevent some punctures coming through the bottom. Yeah, really happy with that. Good job. Right, so I'm going to do the last bit on my phone because it's still raining out. That's my review of the French Army tent. Let me know what you think. Have you had these before, and you know, how did you get on with them? A lot of people say that the condensation in the tent. Yeah, probably. And then people say put a top over it, but that kind of defeats the purpose to me. I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comment section. If you can, please like and subscribe. And I'll catch you next video. Bye.